Good morning, kiddos. Today is April 1st, and while some of you are excited that it's April Fool's Day, I wanted to start our morning off by telling you that I am thankful to be a part of this community of military children. I, too, am a military brat, and I wanted to share with you the dandelion, the story of the dandelion. The dandelion is the weed that grows in the field sometimes with the white puffy things, and you blow, and it flies off, and they say make a wish when you blow. But the dandelion was chosen as the official flower of the military brat, which would be us, you guys, and me too. And then it explains why. And this is something that I just find as an adult, and I think as you get older, you will appreciate it a little bit more. But I wanted to share with you why the dandelion was chosen. The great thing about dandelions is that even though they're considered a weed, they do not take nutrients from their surroundings. Dandelions do not dare to be a submissive plant nor the dominant plant. They live as equals in their surroundings. Look at the grass around the dandelion. It's not just as green. Is it not just as green as it was before? The grass and the dandelion live side by side. When a dandelion is plucked and a wish is made as the seeds are tenderly blown, the seeds find a new home and flourish, living side by side with their new neighbors. Only a dandelion can understand another dandelion and the journey that the dandelion has been on. That is the military brat. And it is why we've adopted the dandelion as the official flower of military. Only brats know what other brats endure and feel. Only brats understand. No matter how many degrees a civilian holds, the brat life is the one we must live, must experience to fully understand. Brats will, like we are trained, help other brats. Unnoticed, unheralded, after all, it is our job. And it also says up here that this is one of my favorite parts of the dandelion. How about the dandelion? The plant puts down roots almost anywhere. It is almost impossible to get rid of. It is entirely usable except for the little puffball thingy. It's good looking. It's a survivor in a broad range of climates. And so in saying that, it's talking about how resilient we are. As military children, you guys hang tough. Mom and dad might get PCS'd. You might have to go through mom or dad being TDY or deployed. And no matter where you move to, no matter what situations you're going through, you guys persevere and you learn, and you will learn as you become an adult how important that is in life. And so I just say to you today that I am proud to be your teacher. I'm thankful to be on this journey with you. And happy April as we celebrate you, the military child. See you guys in a little bit.